Hello, my wonderful viewers. You're welcome once again to Frequency Online Maths. Today we are going to solve this math problem, MTH what 311 Advanced Algebra. So this is our past question. Expand sine squared x as a series of ascending power of what x using maclaurins series. So electrical and electronics engineering students of 400 level, please pay attention to this math problem as I solve it step by what step. So we are going to write the formula for maclaurins series. The formula is the summation as n approaches 0 to infinity of f of n parenthesis 0 all over n factorial times x minus 0 raised to the power of n. This thing is equals to what? Summation of n approaches 0 to what? Infinity of f of n parenthesis 0 all over n factorial. X minus 0 is what? X raised to the power of what? N. So this is equals to what? F of anywhere you see what n equals 0. So this 0 is now a function of what? This 0, not the what? The derivative. So we have f of what? 0 plus, if you put 0, 0 factorial is what? 1. So we have f of 0 plus f prime of 0 all over 1 factorial. You put your what? X. This is the what? The first what? The derivative. First what? Derivative. Then you have f prime prime of what? 0 all over 2 factorial x squared. This is the what? The second derivative plus f prime prime of what? 0 all over 3 factorial x cubed. This is the what? The third derivative plus f of n of 0 all over n factorial x raised to the power of what? N. Till what? Infinity. So this is the formula for the equation. So we are going to bring out the question they gave us. We have f of x is equals to sine squared x. So we are going to differentiate this thing one by one. So f of x is equals to sine squared x. Okay, let me clean this. So we have f of x is equals to sine squared x. I forgot to tell you something. You know that this maclaurins series is what? A special case for what? Taylor series. The only difference is that the A in maclaurins series centers as what? 0. So that's why they do not give you any place in center. So it's what? 0. So we're going to have f prime of x. That's the first derivative of x is what? You differentiate this thing using function of what? A function. Function of a function is telling us that the all over the x of f of g of x is equals to differentiated f, then g of x, then times differentiated g of what? X. This is the what? Function of a what? Function. Function of a function. So let us apply it here. So this one is what? Our f of x. So let us differentiate it. When you differentiate, it will now be 2. Are you seeing it? We keep this g of x constant. We have 2 sine x. Are you seeing it now? Now, when we differentiate this g of x now at the second time, at the second place, when we differentiate sine x, we get what? Cos x. You see it now? It's very what? Simple. Just differentiate this first one here. Then keep this one constant and differentiate this one, the second, then this second one. You get your what? Answer. So you can still use chain rule and solve it. You still get the same answer. But for the sake of time. So this thing is also what? 2 sine sine 2x. The reason I say that this thing is sine 2x, using addition angle, if you have sine, this sine 2x is what? Sine x plus x. So if you have sine x plus x is what? Sine x cos x plus cos x sine x. So this is what? Sine, we have what? 2 sine x cos x. Are you seeing it here? Cos x plus cos x is what? 2 cos x. Sin x plus sin x is what? 2 sin x. So it's what? 2 cos x sin x. So I can represent it with what? This. So let me write it sin 2x. So we're going to have sin 2x. So f prime prime of x is equals to, let's differentiate this one again. Using our function of a function, you differentiate this one, differentiating this sign is what? Cos. Cos, you keep this one constant, cos 2x. Differentiate this 2x. If you differentiate it, you are going to get what? 2. So it will be what? Times 2. So that 2 will times invisible 1 here. It will be what? 2 cos 2x. So that's the derivative of what? Sin 2x. So let's write it. 2 cos 2x. 2 cos 2x. That's the derivative. Then the third derivative is equals to what? Just don't stress yourself in this thing. If you see something like this, just use this one and multiply this one. When you multiply it 2 times, you get what? 4. Then you keep after multiplying this one now, 2 times 2 is what? 4. You differentiate this cos. Differentiating of course is what? Minus sign. Just put the minus here. Put your sign. Put back your 2x. Just don't stress yourself. Now let's differentiate the fourth one. F4 is equals to 2 times 4 is what? Minus 2 times minus 4 is what? Minus 8. Differentiating of sign is what? Cos 2x. As simple as that. If you differentiate the fifth one, is equals to 2 times 8 is what? Minus 16. We have minus 16. Differentiating of course is what? Minus sign. Differentiating of course is minus sign. So we are going to have sine 2x. But remember it's minus sign. So minus times minus is what? Plus. So we have f vi, the sixth derivative. If you differentiate this thing, 2 times 16 is what? 32. 32. Differentiating sign is what? Cos. You put your what? 2x. As simple as that. Now we have gotten to fifth, sixth what? Derivative. If you like, we can go to seventh. But there is no time, sha. So we are going to remember our f of our a centers as what? 0 or c, anyone. So we are going to have f of 0 is equals to, if you put 0 here, it will be what? 0. Then f prime of what? 0. 2 times, if you put 0 here, 2 times 0 is what? 2 times 0 is what? 0. Sin 0 is what? 0. So we have 0. Then f prime prime of 0 is equals to, if you put 0 here, 2 times 0 is what? 0. Cos 0 is what? 1. 2 times 1 is what? 2. We have 2. Then f prime 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 of, that's the third what? Derivative of 0 is equals to what? If you, this one is 2 times 0 is what? 0. Sin 0. So this one is automatically what? 0. So we have f of is equals to 2 times 0 is what? 0. Because 0 is what? 1. So this one is what? Minus 8. So the fifth one, 2 times 0 is what? 0. Sin 0 is what? 0. 16 times 0 is what? 0. Then the last one, 2 times 0 is what? 0. Because 0 is what? 1. 1 times 32 is what? 32. So we are going to do what? I'm going to clean here. These are the words, the derivatives. The first, second to what? Sixth. Then these are the words when it's entered as what? 0. So let me clean this side. Let me clean this side. Remember our formula? Our formula is telling us that f of 0 plus f prime of 0 all over 1 factorial x plus f prime prime of 0. Hey, how will I even write this thing so that we contain? Okay, let me just write, let me write this in here. F of 0 is equals to 0. F prime of 0 is equals to 0. F prime prime of 0 is equals to 2. F prime 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 of 0 is equals to 0. F iv of 0 is equals to minus 8. F v of 0 is equals to 0. F vi of 0 is equals to 32. So this, all these things are represented here. So let me clean this side so that you can have enough space. So we have all over 2 factorial plus f prime 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 of 0 all over 3 factorial plus f iv of 0 all over 4 factorial. So tell me the next one now. Okay, I'm even forgetting to put my x. This one is x to the power of 2, x to the power of 3, x to the power of 4 plus f v of 0 x to the power of 5 all over 5 factorial plus f vi of 0 f6 all over 6 factorial. So we can just get started. F of 0 is what? 0. Are you seeing it? F of 0 is 0. We put 0 plus f prime of 0 is what? 0. We put 0. 0 divided by 1 is what? 0. So we put 0. 0 times x, 0. We put 0. Plus f prime prime of 0, 2. So we have 2x squared all over 2 factorial plus f prime 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 of 0 is what? 0. We put 0. Everything here automatically 0. Plus f iv of 0 is what? Minus 8x for all over 4 factorial. So we have f fiv, then v fv. Fv is what? F of v is what? 0. So everything is 0. Then vi is 32. So we have plus 32x6 all over 6 factorial. So this thing we are going to have, this one we cancel this one. 2 factorial is what? 2 times 1, which is what? 2. So we have x squared plus, okay, this thing will be what? Minus 8 divided by 4 is what? Minus 2. So we have minus 2x. Okay, sorry. This one is what? Plus x squared minus 8 divided by 4 is what? Minus 2x 4. Okay, sorry. I'm making mistake. 8 divided by 4 factorial is, I think, 720. Let me bring my calculator and come. Okay, I've gotten my calculator. Sorry for the breakdown. So we have this one divided by this one. We have x squared. We write it x squared. Now 4 factorial is 4 factorial is 24. So we have minus 8x4 all over 24 plus 32x6 all over 720. 6 factorial is what? 720. This is equals to what? X squared minus 8 divided this self is what? 1. all over, remember x4, all over 8 divided by 24 is what? 3. So you have 3. So plus 32 divided by 16 is 2. We have 2 all over. Remember our x is plus 6. 16 divided by 720 is 45. 45. So our answer will be our answer will be x squared minus 1 over 3 x4 plus 2 over 45 x6. So this is our what? Answer. If you like, you can still write it. You times this one and this one. You have, if you like, you can get it like this: x squared minus x4 all over 3 plus 2x6 all over 45 is also correct. Thank you for watching and may God bless you. Don't forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel. Follow us on our Facebook page, Instagram, TikTok, and the rest. Bye bye.